and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today I am sharing with you this great tabletop grow kit from Gardener's Supply Company. I've been buying products from Gardener's Supply Company for many years, and I've always been really happy with what I get. They did give me this tabletop grow kit so that I could review it for you and show it to you, and I really like this. I'm really excited to have this. You can see that it is very pretty. And it is also very functional. The light here you can see is a really nice light under here, and it lights up. It's a full spectrum LED, so it's going to give your plants exactly what they need. And as I always talk about too, you want to have ideally the light shining directly down onto the plant, so this is perfect. Now you will see when I turn off the light, you can see it better just because of the way the lighting is right now. Up here, this comes with the kit, and it has cash pots that are metal that go in here. So I've got some other plants in here as well. So you can use the upper part as well for growing plants. Now, obviously they're not going to get the benefits of the light, but you can see how functional this is in terms of being able to have plant space up here and plant space down there. And if you're an indoor gardener like I am, and I know you are, the more space you can have for plants, the better. So it's great that it's nice and sturdy up top, that you can also put plants up here. It does come up with a seed starting mix as well if you're going to be starting your own plants, which is also good. So I'm going to turn the light back on again here to talk a little bit more about the lighting down here. So it moves back and forth. It's actually magnetized, so you can move it back and forth depending on if you want to get, say you want to pull the lighting back a little bit. I've got it in the middle here so that it's giving a really good light to all of the plants here. So I've got two African violets, the pink polka dot plant, I got a phytonia, the nerve plant here, and I also have a jade here. So all of those can really do well under full spectrum lighting. And then up top here, I do have, and I can put these down below and switch them back and forth to give all the plants some light here. Another African violet, also got a goldfish plant. I've got a heartleaf philodendron up there. Okay, so as I said, really nice, gives you lots of good lighting down here, lots of space. There's even more space up top here where I can put lots more plants, which I probably will end up doing. So really good, functional. It was really easy to put together. It was actually kind of came together, and then I attached the light, and you kind of just unfold it. So I also like that because there's nothing more. It's always a bummer when you're excited about getting something, you get it, and it is this bags of bolts and all these pieces, and you have to. I'm not real handy in those kinds of areas, so I have to talk one of my sons into. And one of my kids into putting it together for me, and then usually that involves a weight. So it's really exciting to get these products. You can put them together and start gardening right away. This does look kind of bigger than it is on the screen. It's 26 inches long by 13 inches wide by 18 inches high. This is powder coated steel frame here. As mentioned, the LED lighting, full spectrum lighting underneath, and then the light attaches with magnetic clips. So very, very well made, and this is going to last a really long time. And as mentioned, it's really pretty, and you can grow just about anything in here, as providing it doesn't get too big. Now this doesn't raise up at all because it is one frame, so you are going to, once a plant gets taller, you're going to run out of space, but they have their plenty of other products. As a matter of fact, the Alden Grow lamp, which I just recently reviewed as well, which is a lot taller. So as I always mention, you really need really good lighting to have success growing houseplants. It's the only way to have success. Yes, there are a few plants you can grow in low light, and yes, plants will struggle along, but if you want plants to be healthy and happy and blooming and their variegated leaves looking good, then you need really good lighting. And the good news is that nowadays with companies like Gardener Supply, there really is no excuse for not having that sort of lighting, because they have the products out there that will provide you with the light you need for your plants. And in terms of this tabletop grow kit, which you can also have on the ground, by the way, it doesn't have to be on a tabletop, but it is called a tabletop grow kit. With something like this that's also functional and pretty, that makes it even better. So there you go with this fantastic tabletop grow kit. I'll put a link below for you so you can check it out. And I wish you lots of good luck growing your plants indoors with just make sure to, as mentioned, as always, get some really good lighting for your plants. And it's especially important in the winter months, which we're in now, but it is important throughout the year. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.